James Clear's 2018 book Atomic Habits was a New York Times bestseller and sold over 5 million copies worldwide. It claims to help you change your habits and get 1% better every day. We're always looking for ways to compound our results here at MyWallSt, so we decided to apply these Atomic Habits and Clear's 4 laws of behavior change to investing to see just how much better we could get. Let's take a look. Rule number 1, make it obvious. This itself seems obvious, but many habits fail to form because we aren't clear about what we're going to do. Saying we're going to get into the habit of saving more is not clear and obvious. It creates friction between the intent and the action. Instead, why not tell yourself that when I get paid, I'll put 10% of that into a savings account? What could be more obvious than that? It's clear, concise, and easily actionable. Rule 2, make it attractive. It's easy to avoid creating new habits because we see them as somehow changing the way we live for the worse. Change can scare people, yet everybody wants to change certain things. We think fondly about the end results, yet think negatively about the path to getting those results. But there are ways to increase your ability to form habits by simply finding the most attractive version of that habit for you. If you want to know more about business, it's easy to think that reading the Wall Street Journal every day might be a good option. It is, by the way, but maybe it's not the most attractive option for you. Perhaps listening to a daily podcast is more your style. And if you think it is, we have 2 perfect podcasts for you to get started with right in the description below. Rule number 3, make it easy. Want to ensure that you save that 10% every month? Set up a monthly transfer to your savings account. Make it automatic. Make it hard for yourself not to do. Want to listen to more business podcasts? Set up notifications to let you know when they're released. Have them automatically downloaded to your device, so they're always available. Want to read more financial blogs? Find an app like Pocket that saves articles for you to read later. Go one step further. Add the app to your phone's dock so it's always visible to you. James Clear actually does that himself. Rule number 4, make it satisfying. This is definitely the hardest when it comes to financial matters. We're hardwired to seek instant gratification, but real satisfaction in finance comes long after you take action. In fact, seeking instant gratification in financial matters is one of the surest ways to fail. Clear suggests that rather than fighting against human instinct, we should try hack it by creating immediate rewards. Obviously, the key to this is that they don't conflict with our long-term ambitions. So don't save $5 on coffee tomorrow morning and reward yourself with a trip to Egypt. But do try find small ways to reward yourself. And that's it. Our guide to using atomic habits to supercharge your investing. If you want to read more on this topic, our head analyst Rory wrote a full in-depth article in the MyWallSt app. You can find a link for this article in the description below. Just create a free account and you can access that along with more of our investing content. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to see more of our investing content as soon as it's released. Until next time, happy investing.